Are you looking to troubleshoot, fix hardware issues, or unlock your Vivo Y17s? The ISP Pinout connection offers many benefits. By utilizing the EasyJTAG Plus Box, you can bypass the FRP lock and reset your user data, saving you time and money by avoiding costly repairs or service center visits. Accessing the ISP Pinout for your Vivo Y17s is easy with our step-by-step guide below. Z3X Samsung Tool, EasyJTAG, and UFI Box can bypass Vivo Y17s pattern and screen locks. It doesn't matter how much knowledge you have of Android software. This method will make the problem disappear quickly. If you see the message, USB not recognized, your USB doesn't work. You can only use this method if your battery is fully charged and your USB port works properly. Remember to leave your questions in the comments. I will do my best to answer them. We must identify the test point to initiate communication with the EMMC chip on the Vivo Y17s. This is a specific location on the device's PCB where we can establish a connection for ISP operations. By carefully examining the device's schematics and conducting thorough research, we can pinpoint the test point and proceed towards further exploration. What is Vivo Y17s ISP Pinout? Before discussing the Vivo Y17s ISP EMMC Pinout specifics, it's important to understand what ISP EMMC Pinouts are. ISP, in-system programming, EMMC, embedded multimedia card. Pinout refers to a set of connections on a smartphone's printed circuit board, PCB, that allows direct communication with the device's storage chip. This interface is essential for repairing and recovering data from faulty or damaged storage devices. Vivo Y17s ISP EMMC Pinout image. Now that we have the test point image, let's explore some of the key pinout connections on the Vivo Y17s. Understanding these connections is crucial for successful ISP EMMC operations. The following are some of the notable pinouts on the Vivo Y17s V2310. 1. VCCQ. This pin provides power to the flash memory. 2. CLK. The clock pin ensures synchronized data transfer between the device and the storage chip. 3. CMD. The command pin is responsible for initiating read and write commands to the storage. 4. DAT0, DAT7. These pins facilitate data transfer to and from the flash memory. The EasyJTAG Plus and UFI Box dongles are highly recommended for fixing a dead boot on any phone, including Vivo Y17s. These boxes are particularly useful when phones are flashed with the wrong firmware that prevents the startup screen from appearing. To repair the boot, you will need these boxes. Additionally, some phone brands do not allow the removal of various locks such as PIN, pattern, password, FRP, and MDM. However, these boxes enable you to remove these locks with ease. How to remove Vivo Y17s FRP lock using UFI dongle. Check Direct EMMC ISP. Then click on Identify EMMC. Connect your Vivo Y17s to the PC via a USB cable. Head over to the PC and open Device Manager. If your device is located there, run the UFI box. Go to User Area part. Now click on Special Task, Vivo Master Clear Wipe Data Only. Now click on Special Task, Clear FRP Lock. Done.